Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is T. I am a full-time screen printer and a part-time van lifer. I'm building my own van right now. And guys, it's a lot, but it's fun. I'm enjoying every second of it, even when I have to learn new cuss words. So guys, right now I'm waiting on some stuff that I ordered. I ordered some more uh, sound deadening material. I feel like I need a little bit more. So I didn't glue down the flooring or the insulation yet. Once that comes in, I'll apply it where I feel like it needs it. And I'll put a little bit more on the walls and some more on the ceiling. And then I'll go ahead today, hopefully, I can glue the flooring down, set stuff on top of it, and let it dry for a few days. But today, while I'm waiting on that, guys, I am going to, as you can see right here, my plywood board is there. I am going to, pardon all that moving, making me dizzy. I'm going to go out back where I have the template that came with the van, the flooring, and I'm going to pull it out. I think I'm going to need another board, another piece of plywood. I thought I would have enough. I don't know. I may, um, or I may just make pieces out of the side ones. But that's what I'm going to do today, guys. Once I get it all out and set up, I'll come back and maybe I'll set up the camera and just let you guys see me work on that. All I'm going to do is trace it out. I'm going to go in. I think I've told you this before. I'm going to go in with about a quarter of an inch in, just so that I don't create any rubbing on the sides for squeaking purposes and all that. I'm big on not wanting to squeak unless I want something to squeak. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, guys, that's what I'll be working on today. It is beautiful outside. It's not hot. It's warm, but it's not hot. The temperatures are down a little bit. Pretty sure it's due to all the weathers out there, which, by the way, if you were affected by that, prayers to you guys, and I hope that you guys are okay and can recover from that. This is the time of season, and I just want everybody to take cover and do what you can to prepare. I mean, I know that here we have hurricanes, and last year was probably the first time in over 30 years that I really experienced a hurricane that scared me, I should say. I've been in plenty of them prior to that, but anyhow, guys, any of you affected out there, uh, hopefully that everything is worked out and you guys are safe and things are starting to look better for you. So give me a few minutes, guys, and then I'll set you up. Hey guys, I'm back. So it was a wonderful day. I finished cutting the plywood for the subfloor, and it took a minute. When you're working by yourself, it kind of takes a little bit of extra time, but nevertheless, we did it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Give me a second. Oh, hey, hey guys. So check it out. Hmm. Look at those seats. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of those seats, guys. I love it. Game changer. I'm telling you. If you haven't done it or you're thinking about doing it, do it. Whole new different game. I'm telling you. You're gonna love it. So guys, we got all this cut today. It took me a minute, I'm not gonna lie, because trying to carry all that board by myself almost broke. I was almost broke back T. Woo! Mm. So guys, everything's not glued down. This is just, I wanted to do this as I was waiting for the deadening material, and the deadening material got here today. So I'm going to add more deadening material to the bottom here. And then I'm going to glue down the flooring there. The fairing, there you go. I'm going to glue that down. Once I glue that down, guys, sorry, I'm going to put adhesive on the insulation board, and I'm going to glue that down. And then once that's down, I'm going to do the spray foam around it to avoid any kind of rubbing or squeaking. Because you know how I feel about them squeakings. Ain't nobody got time for that, guys. Mm-mm. So once that's done, I will put the subfloor back on top of it and bring out every heavy thing that I can: couch, washing machine, dryer, car, whatever I can find. And I'll put it on top of there to add some weight. And I'll give it a few days for it to adhere. I mean, in the meantime of that, I will. I think I've come up with a different plan, guys. You know, it keeps changing. The more you sit there and look at it, the more it's going to change. So once that's done, guys, I am going to start. I think I ordered the Thinsulate yesterday. I'm going to use Thinsulate for my insulation on the walls and the ceiling. I ordered my Air Max fan and Max Air or Air Max, however you say it. I ordered that. Um, After that, I ordered puck lights. I ordered a bunch of stuff. You know that China thing going on. I wasn't trying to pay on top of that, so I ordered some stuff because you know some of that stuff comes from China. So not trying to get any other thing. Just saying I put a big order in yesterday before midnight. So guys, what do I always say? It was a beautiful day. If I can do it, you can do it. Guys, I had a great time. It's just so exciting to know that you're working on something that you built and that you're going to travel in and you're going to experience a lot of different beautiful things out there, meet new people. I can't wait to meet you guys. A lot of you guys, I mean, I just can't wait to meet you. And all of the journeys that we'll take and travel. So, guys, with that being said, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me out, it helps me grow my channel. Like, comment. I love interacting with you guys. And, guys, I will see you in the next one. Until then, y'all stay blessed, be kind to one another, and peace out.